Saying bye-bye to the Civic. Civic is gone. No more Civic.
Oh, I miss it.
No, we've had it for a long time.
That was a family member.
Sure was. Civic is gone. Goodbye. Alright, what's up, guys? Morning time. We did sell the Civic yesterday, as you guys seen. Made a little clip driving off. We still got the two G35s. Oh, and we sold the Malibu. So we sold the Malibu and we sold my Civic. So now we only have the Infiniti, two Infinitis, and this is now going to be my daily driver. The Honda Accord that I bought from Chicago and drove it here. So about to do some brakes on this bad boy. I'm hearing some squeaking. See if we can get the rotors resurfaced so I can save some money. Yeah, and I'm gonna go get some better brake pads because I bought the, let's see if this is open. That's not open. But I bought the regular Duralast, but I'm gonna go and get the Duralast Gold. So I'm about to take these back. Get the golds, and see if we can get the rotors resurfaced. I'll show you what the rotors look like when I take them off. Let's get to work. Alright, guys. I took the front off, but forgot to record. So, the front pads and everything look good. I'm just hearing a little squeaking noise, so I might still need to get the rotors resurfaced. But I took off the back just to make sure it wasn't the back, and as you can see, the back is good. Here's the drum. It's a little rusty. Drum looks good. Drum looks good. It looks the same on the other side. So it's not the back. I thought I heard something coming from the back, but because I looked at the front and it was like still meat on the pads. The rotor's a little scratched up, but so most likely that's what's causing the noise. Because when I pulled out the driveway, it didn't do it. I mean, it did it, and then when I tried to drive it around, it didn't do it. You know how stuff go when it comes to working on these bad boys. So yeah, so I'm trying to see if I'm going ahead and tackle the front. Alright, guys, this is what the front looks like. Front looks good to me. Got some lines here, but I mean, everything's all smooth. The brake pads are good. I don't feel any like grooves. You can just like see the heat marks. Show y'all the other side. So yeah, everything's good. And like I said, it has pad on both sides. So I'm gonna ride with this. I'm not even gonna spend no money today. I'm about to go take these back, and we're gonna see if their grease works. You know how they try to sell you the grease. There's a funny story with this. I brought those brake pads, and I walk out the store, and start the car, start driving, and I look at the receipt, and I see this on there. I'm like, I didn't ask for this. And I look in the box, in the brake box, and this was in there. So they got me. Kind of upset me a little bit because I didn't tell you guys to put that in there, but that's AutoZone for you. So since they gave it to me, maybe I got it for a reason. We're gonna put it on here, then we're gonna take them brakes back to the store, and we're gonna see if this really quiets your brakes.